Now, warehousing and logistics is being pegged as the next big growth driver for commercial real estate in India, and developers, particularly those in Bengaluru, are not missing out on the chance to add this to their portfolio by investing in spaces in Bengaluru's outer suburbs, which is good news for home buyers. Lakshmi Sivdas has this story on how the growth of warehousing could signal the growth of peripheral areas of Bengaluru.
Brick kilns, vast stretches of empty land and two-laned, tree-filled roads. That's Malur for you. This quiet town in Kolar district near Bengaluru will soon see some big changes. Bengaluru's developers have found small towns like these on the city's periphery ideal for setting up warehousing and logistics centers. Residents of these regions are enthused about the development it will soon see.
देवनपुल्डी पूरा फिलअप हो गया, अभी पूरा रियल एस्टेट वाला मालूर को आ रहा है, डेवलपमेंट बढ़ रहा है इधर। इसमें जगह मिलता है, अपार्टमेंट बन सकते हैं, पूरा डेवलपमेंट होता है। इधर इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया पूरा फूड पार्क है, ग्रेनाइट पार्क है, सभी है। इसमें थोड़ा वाटर का फैसिलिटी पहला देना दे तो और थोड़ा अच्छा होता।
It's not just Malur. The fortunes of several small towns dotting Bengaluru's periphery are now looking up thanks to the warehousing and logistics boom in India. Areas like the Nelamangala belt, Narsapur, Vemgal and Dodbalapur have also been identified by developers to set up these parks with sizes ranging from 2 to over 5 million square feet each. Once fully operational, consultants believe that these parks can trigger demand for real estate in these areas.
This will automatically trigger a growth in terms of demand for affordable low-cost housing or some convenient shopping. So we think investments like these in the outer periphery locations, whether it is Bhivandi in Mumbai or whether it is Manesar in Gurgaon or it is Hosur in Bangalore or even beyond, in each of those strategic locations in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune and elsewhere, the valuations of real estate will get impacted. The demand will go up and the prices will go up.
Land prices in areas like Vemgal, Narsapur and Dodbalapur have already shot up, ranging between 60 lakhs an acre in the first quarter of 2014 to the current 2 crores an acre. Currently, the city accounts for over 14 million square feet of the total warehousing space available in India. Developers looking to add to this include the Prestige Estates, the Embassy Group and Assets Property. These developers have already firmed up on land banks for various warehouses. Once completed, they are exploring mixed use and residential projects here.
We may have smaller industrial township sort of development closer to our warehousing, but we haven't formed any plans. Now, the minute you have smaller village employees, per capita income going up, they can now afford more things. So they can afford better schools, they can afford better restaurants, they can afford smaller hotels. There will be subsidiary employment generated out of these businesses. So the whole area would start developing and it would then open up the market for prime real estate and residential to start moving in over the next few years.
Despite recent progress, consultants say people should buy here only if they are sure that key developers have big projects already sanctioned and are willing to wait and watch.
Sure, these areas are still developing and have a host of infrastructural problems, from acute water shortages to power cuts. But with industry veterans eyeing this area for development, it's only a matter of time before these suburbs change for the better. From Malur, with camera person Nazir, Lakshmi Shivdas for NDTV.
On the South edition of the Property Show, we'll have projects with top-class amenities